Sorry to disappoint, but no, I did not go all HGTV on you and demo my kitchen with a sledgehammer. First of all, it's actually a lot easier to take cabinets off just by simply unscrewing them. Now, the 90s Formica countertop, that was a different story. I hacked away at that until it was in pieces small enough to just throw in the dumpster. Now take note of that wall right behind me because, well, we took it out. Yep, we're at the point of no return right here. Yeah, we are full steam ahead on our very simple remodel. No, this isn't a remodel. This is an addition. We ended up adding about 250 square feet onto the back of the kitchen portion. And if you watch my other videos, you'll see that we actually extended out the family room and added a bedroom up top. Even though I was the general contractor, I did not do the framing or the cement work, but I did do all of the electrical work. Yes, it was inspected. And I did all of the insulation. And my next best move was hiring out the drywall. We already had white oak floors in the existing portion of the house. No way was I going to rip that up, so I tied into it, sanded it all down, and stained it a nice Minwax espresso color. They turned out beautiful. I wouldn't change a thing other than the couple things that I did learn. I could honestly do an entire video just on the floors themselves with how many mistakes I made. Mistakes? Learning experiences. Today we received one of, I think it's going to be like 5 different orders for all of our cabinets. Yes, it's in boxes, all unassembled. Why did we go with an Ikea kitchen? Well, to be perfectly honest, I would actually do it again. I'm not gonna lie, I was dreading the day I was gonna have to assemble all those and install them. My wife and I knocked that out all in one day. Well, the assembly portion. And then it took me a couple nights to actually install them. Now, the biggest downfall to the Ikea cabinet is the flimsy plastic bases that they sell with them. So what did I do? I had a whole bunch of 2x6s left over from the framing side of things, and I made my own bases that are sturdier than any custom cabinet would come with. As we are chugging along here with the cabinets, take note of a couple things. We went with about half doors and half drawers. I think that turned out to be about a nice combination for both. Also, if you take a look at the island, we went with a white, it's called their white Bobdyn, and then for the exterior portion of the cabinets, we went with the gray. Also, another thing I think turned out pretty good. Side note as well, we actually didn't go with any upper cabinets along the wall with the stove or the sink. We do have those tall cabinets along the fridge side. Yes, we will eventually be adding either some floating shelves or open shelving along the wall with the range, but in reality it will most likely just be for those pots and weird books that no one uses anyway. We ended up going with a Mysterio quartz countertop from Pental. It does have a white base to it. There are some gray and brown veins throughout it, and it ended up matching very well with both the flooring and the cabinets. I'm not going to be going into too much detail here with the sink setup, and that's just because Wowow actually sent me the faucet and pot filler. So in return, I will be doing a full video giving a lot more details of how I actually hooked it up and set it up, and kind of a little trial test run with it. But so far, we actually really do like it. We've been using it for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and the dang thing still turns on when the sink is full of dishes. As a side note, if you do end up getting one of their faucets, they provide you with some very well-fitting gloves. Kind of felt like O.J. Simpson there for a second. But hey, it kept it nice and shiny pulling it out of the box. I'm going to be ending the video with me trimming out the window. We ended up going with MDF board, and I believe the style is called a simple shaker window trim. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I really don't know the different styles, but it's something that we liked, and so we went with it. Yes, I am ending the video here, and yes, there are still 1 or 10 things left on the list to do. You got the toe kicks and backsplash, maybe some pendant lighting, cabinet's still missing a door, shelves, chandelier, new table. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.